Ukraine's rapid territorial gains have caught Russia off guard at a vulnerable section of their front line in an attack that threatens an important supply hub used by Moscow in the east, military analysts said. The surprise advance was Ukraine's most dramatic of the war so far and came in the northeastern Kharkiv region, hundreds of kilometers from the southern Black Sea region of Kherson, where the brunt of a Ukrainian counteroffensive was expected. Moscow has long held around a fifth of Ukraine's territory in the south and east. It heavily reinforced its troops in the south as Kiev talked up plans to attack there in recent months. But that left Russian forces exposed elsewhere, said Konrad Muzika, director of the Rokan military consultancy in Poland. After days of withholding battlefield developments, Ukraine said on Thursday that its forces had burst through Russian lines in the Kharkiv region that borders Russia, advancing up to 30 miles and capturing dozens of settlements. It's an opportunistic attack that's really caught the Russian forces by surprise. Kupiansk is a rail hub on the way to the key Russian-held outpost of Izium, from where Moscow has anchored some of its main operations in the partially occupied eastern region of Donetsk, whose full capture the Kremlin has prioritized. Civilians were being evacuated from Kupiansk and Izium, a Russian-appointed local official Vitaly Gankev said, after Russia's defense ministry posted footage of trucks and armored vehicles it said were headed to the Kharkiv region. There is a chance to have a strategic breakthrough on the Donetsk front, Melvin said. Gankev said earlier that the breach was a substantial victory for Kiev in a surprising acknowledgement broadcast on state television in Russia after months in which Moscow had said its special military operation is going to plan. But many in the West still predict a long war of attrition. This is likely to go on for some significant period of time, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken said on Friday. President Putin has demonstrated that he will throw a lot of people into this. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said in his nightly address that Ukraine had retaken more than 385 square miles of territory in the south and east since September 1st. Previously, the battlefield's front lines had not changed significantly since Russia claimed to have captured the eastern Luhansk region in early July. The general frontline situation resembles a stalemate, but perhaps we are seeing the first signs that the balance of power is shifting towards Ukraine, Muzika said.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.